never been one to ask for help. If I need a mountain moved, to move it myself. I ain't the church pew regular, twice on Sunday, quote you the scripture kind. I'm far from a preacher, but I'm a believer.
We are all here because of love. We are all here because of the love that God has given us. And we are all here witnessing this momentous event in the life of January and April May, as they also pledge their love for one another from now on until forever.
For someone to love me like you do, graceful eyes to see me through, a smile that steals me, a heart that heals me, a touch that kills me too. And baby, you're perfect. I guess the good Lord heard it. 'Cause every single day before I knew your name, I couldn't see your face, but I prayed for you. Every heartbreak trail when all hope failed, on the highway to hell, I prayed for you.
Yan. Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay sa April May na naramdaman na lisunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, pa.
Kung gusto ba ang pagkakalo mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, pa.
Nakalaan ka bang maligkati sa piling niyang pananagutan ng buhay ng asawa?
Opo, pa.
Every single day before I knew your name, I couldn't see your face, but I prayed for you. Every tail I'd fade in the goodbye rain, girl, even today I prayed for you. I kept my faith like that old King James said I'm supposed to. It's hard to imagine bigger than I could fathom. I didn't know you from Adam, but I prayed for you. I prayed for you. I prayed for you.
January and April May. Ang pag-ibig na pinunlat ng Diyos sa inyo ay ang pag-ibig na agape. Katulad ng pag-ibig ni Jesus sa kanyang simbahan. That love is a love that is willing to sacrifice. That love is a love that is willing to share his life or one's life. That love is a love that is ready to die for someone he loves.
Everything is just so wonderful. Every little thing is just so beautiful when I spend it with you.
April May, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jari na narito ngayon ay sunod sa batas ng mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Kung gusto ba ang pagkakalo mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Padre.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Padre.
This way, I can wait for the day when I can truly say I feel beautiful days with you.
Kami po
I feel beautiful
ay inyong loobin na magkaisa ng kalooban at damdamin mula ngayon, kalinawan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kasusugan, at sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
It's just so wonderful. Every little thing is just so beautiful. When I spend it with you. Thousands of them watching me, but you're here with me now, and I sing this song to you, baby, just for you, just for you. I see beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. You touched my heart so deeply, and I can't thank God enough for all the beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. Everything is just so wonderful. Every little thing is just so beautiful when I spend it with you.